This is a compilation of the previous videos into one course.
A few months ago, I came up with a method on how to join a TikTok creativity program, which is now the Creator Rewards program from any part of the world. That method seems to be working correctly. But today's video, we're going to dive into a new method on how to join this. And this method works accurately than the first one. Trust me. You're going to create the account and join a TikTok creativity program with the help of this. This is a T-Mobile SIM card that I got from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that link and get yours as well. Now, the reason why we'll be adding a SIM card whilst creating the account is to add another barrier or break that barrier of TikTok thinking we are trying to trick it. Now, we're going to use a VPN to switch our location or to change our location to United States. So we might as well have a USA SIM card in the phone that we are trying to create the account from. And this works 100% of the time, and you won't get account interaction problems after creating the account, like unable to like a video, unable to follow other accounts. Trust me, it does work. Now, if you're finding it difficult to create the accounts from any country, I have a link in the description to a Fiverr gig. You can click on that link and I'm going to help you create the account. Just know that it's not for free. Now, if you don't know what the TikTok creativity program is, it's simply creating long form content which are worth more than 1 minute on TikTok, and TikTok is going to reward you if you get views on 1 minute long videos. So buckle up and let's start.
Alright, so this is the SIM card I got from T-Mobile, and you don't have to activate the SIM card, just put it in the phone and it's going to work perfectly. From here, I'm going to click on settings and click on general and then select language and region. If you have a SIM from UK, you just select the region as UK. In this case, this is a USA SIM, so I'm going to select USA, and then so if you have a SIM from Ukraine, just select Ukraine. So let's select United States, go back, and here we are going to change the time, so date and time, and I'm going to change the time to New York, USA. All right, I just love New York. So so search for the state in which you like if you are using a USA SIM card, and then select it. I selected New York, USA. Go back, and then here I'm then going to delete TikTok from the phone. You can see I'm not logged into any account. So if you already have an account logged in, just log out and delete the app. So I've logged out, and here I'm going to press and hold and then delete the app. So remove and then delete the app. Alright, so I'm going to delete the app. But before we do that, let me just take out my SIM card and then fix it in the phone. So let me just skip through this part here and then put the SIM card in the phone. Okay, so here I'm going to turn off the phone. And turn it back on. Okay, now the phone is on, and here I'm using this Mi-Fi from Huawei, and the reason why I use this is that it's fast and it doesn't have any interruptions. You can use your phone if you don't have money to purchase for a Wi-Fi. Let me just open the phone real quick. Yes, so I've already deleted my TikTok app, so let me just connect to the Wi-Fi. Okay, from here I'm going to click on Reinscribe VPN. And then the location is at New York Grand Central, so I'm just going to connect, which is a state in the United States. Okay, so I'm just going to connect to this, and from here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to head on to App Store and download TikTok again. Okay, once you delete the TikTok, just download the TikTok app again. You log out from your account and delete the TikTok app because you're going to log in with a new TikTok. Okay, so I am just going to download this one with a VPN turned on. This is going to take a while, so let's wait. Okay, this method works accurately, and here on this channel I bring you the best, so consider subscribing. From here I'm gonna, you can see that the VPN is on right here, and let me just close it real quick. From here I'm going to click on open. Yes, and so The app now thinks that we are in the United States with a VPN and a SIM card in the phone. Okay, so to sign up, let me just click on sign up and I'll click on use phone or email. Now I'm going to set my date of birth. Make sure that your year or your date of birth makes you 18 years. It doesn't necessarily mean that you should put your actual date of birth there. I'm going to type in an email and a password, and I'm going to click on enter. All right. For me, I'm going to click on skip for the account nickname and then skip for the category. And it's telling me that would you like to send notifications? I'll click on allow. And then you can see that I have a message from TikTok in my Gmail. Click on start watching. And here accept, and would you like to access contact? No. If you have contacts in your country, just click on no. If you have contacts in your country on your phone, select no, and here we are with the account. Right, so you can see that when you click on the three bars and you go to creator tools, you have the option for the TikTok shop for creator, TikTok shop for seller, which I'm going to discuss in the next video about how to join. And here we have the creator rewards program, which is the TikTok creativity program. Let's click on that one and let's take a look at the requirements. All right, so be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 views on your account in the past 30 days. I'll let TikTok notify me once I reach the threshold to join the creator rewards program. Okay, so that is how you join it. It is very simple and everybody can join. If you don't have a SIM card to join, you can then use a VPN. Just that most of the times the VPN method makes the account inactive for the first 24 hours. Okay, so if you add a SIM to it, then you are good to go. So if you don't have the SIM, you can hit me up on Fiverr and I'm going to help you create it. Okay, so this is the account. So we are done creating the account. You can scroll to your For You page and you like the content you want to create videos about. So in this case, you can then search for their content.
Today's video, we're going to dive into the steps on how you can submit and bypass tax information for US TikTok accounts in the TikTok creativity program, which is now the Creator Rewards program. Hi everyone, my name is El, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do your best and subscribe, because here on this channel, I bring you the best. So consider subscribing if it does help you out. Let's start. We all know what the TikTok creativity program is. It is now called Creator Rewards program. This is where you create content on TikTok that are more than 1 minute, and TikTok rewards you for creating these types of content. To join, you need to be in a country like USA, France, or United Kingdom. And I have a list of tutorials you can watch from and join the TikTok creativity program from any part of the world. You also need to be 18 years of age and have 10,000 followers and 100,000 views on your account in the past 30 days. These are the requirements to join the TikTok creativity program. Now, most of you have joined, posted content, and you have made money on your account. Now, the problem here is that when you do create a USA account, you are required to submit the tax information to TikTok so that you can be able to withdraw your funds and then spend it successfully, which is one of the most frequently asked questions that I get. How do I submit tax information to TikTok to withdraw my money? Today's video, I'm going to take you through the steps on how you can submit and bypass tax information for the Creator Rewards program. To do this, we need to study TikTok very carefully. Now, take a pen and paper and jot things down because this video is going to be in-depth. This is a method I developed a while ago and it works 50% of the time. And so just follow me on this. Before we start, subscribe please. The first thing we need to take note of is that if you have money on TikTok in a TikTok creativity program dashboard, TikTok is going to send you funds 15th of every month, regardless of your location. So on the 15th of every month, TikTok sends you payment in a TikTok creativity program dashboard. Take note. So on the 14th of that specific month, that is where we're going to do the magic. We're going to perform the magic. So on the 14th of that specific month, we are going to submit the tax information to TikTok, and TikTok is going to process this tax information. The trick here is that it takes 24 hours for TikTok to verify the tax information that is submitted to them. And during these 24 hours, TikTok can send you your money on the 15th of that specific month. That is why we submit the tax information on the 14th, and during that processing stage, TikTok is going to send you that money that you have on your TikTok creativity program dashboard on the 15th of that month. So the main goal here is to submit the tax information on the 14th of that specific month, and on the 15th of that month, TikTok is going to send you your money during that verification process. Trust me, I've tried this and it works. This is a temporary method of withdrawing your money from TikTok because you do not have any other option again. I've tried this and it does work. Now wait, the main question here to ask ourselves is that what type of tax information are we submitting to TikTok, or where are we getting the tax information from? That is why I'm going to take you through the steps on how to do this. Stay tuned and then subscribe to the channel because here I bring you the best. You will not find this tutorial anywhere on YouTube.
Follow this carefully. So we're going to go to this website, Fox ID. From here, I'm going to click on the foxid.com and to bring us to this page. This is a fake name generator. So for me, I'm going to copy some details from this website. And the first thing we need to copy is the name. So I'm going to copy this name and paste it in a notepad. So click on copy and then open a notepad and paste it right here. The next thing we need to do is to copy the address from this website, and I'm going to copy this address as well. Click on copy and then go back to notepad and paste it right here. The next thing we're going to copy is the social security number, which is the SSN. So I'm also going to copy this one as well and then paste it in the notepad. The next thing we are also going to copy is company EIN. All right, so let's go back to the website and let me scroll down and then let's select company and employee. You can see company EIN, employee identification number. Copy that one as well and then paste it in the notepad. From here, let me just increase the size. Okay, so here's the name is David Miller, an address, social security number, and company number. We are going to use the company EIN in place of the SSN. If we try the SSN a couple of times and it doesn't work on the TikTok platform. All right, so these are the details you need to submit tax information to TikTok. All right, so I'm going to go onto my phone, and from there, let me just save it real quick and copy it onto my phone. And from there, I'm going to input these details onto my TikTok account or in my TikTok account, and let's see what will happen next. Okay.
All right, so we're going to open TikTok, and then from here, we're going to access Creator Tools. We're going to click on Creator Rewards Program. All right. So this is my dashboard. I don't usually post on this account, but I'm going to show you how to submit and the tax information. You can see that here is saying once set up, you receive payments on the 15th of every month if eligible. Complete your payment information by June 14th to receive your earnings on the next payout date if eligible. Next payout date is June 15th. All right, like how I told you, just follow TikTok. Now here, TikTok is giving you the instructions. Consider that payment option is verified and it's left with tax information. So from here, I'm going to click on tax information, click on individual, and I already have a tax information submitted. So I am going to click on the first name and then use the name that we got from the website, right? So Devin Miller. All right, so let me just select Miller as the last name right here. Now we're going to go back to the website. I'm currently viewing it on my laptop and I'm going to type in the US thing. Now YouTube doesn't allow us to show tax information number here, so I'm going to blur out some parts of the video. All right, I'm going to select the state as Alaska, which is AK, country United States, and the city is let's see, Dillingham. All right, these are the correct details from the website. So from here, I'm gonna copy the street address as well. So 5685. I can't pronounce the other word. So let me just copy it and paste it there. Paste. All right. So we're gonna copy the zip code as well. So it's 99576. Paste it right here. From there, I'm gonna click on continue to see if the information we submitted to TikTok is actually correct. All right. So I'm gonna click on continue, and let's see. Your name and thing that does not match. So what we need to do here is that we need to move from the SSN number to the company EIN. All right. employee identification number. So I'm going to copy that one as well and fix it in the US thing section on TikTok. So let's see. From here, I'm going to click on continue, and we still have a problem here. Your name and thing does not match. What I recommend here is that you type in the same company EIN number from the website. All right, just type in the same thing and it's going to get verified. So let me just type it in once more, and let me click on let me just check if I have any problem here. No problem. Let me just click on continue, and voila, TikTok has accepted our tax information from the website. So what we need to do here is that we need to put in a signature by typing our name once more, and make sure you don't leave any space in front of the last word of your name. So you can see it says your signature and the first name does not match. So I'm going to delete the space, and from there I'm going to check through if I have any problem. No problems. I'm going to click on continue. You see, it says your W-9 form has been submitted and under review. And during this review process, you can then withdraw your money, or TikTok is going to automatically send you your money. So we see tax information checked. You have submitted your tax information and you can see completed right here. So you do this on the 14th of each and every month, and TikTok is going to automatically send you your money on the 15th. So you do it on the 14th, TikTok will send you your money on the 15th. Payment platform for withdrawing your money from TikTok is PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you can then link it to your TikTok account, and TikTok is going to automatically send you your money there. I hope this helps you out, and keep on hustling. You're going to make that money you've always dreamed of. My name is El Jones, and this is the El Jones channel. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one.